Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox 2025 Acer Nitro V16S. This is a little bit more advanced model with a Core 7 240H and 5060. Okay, 5060 is definitely better than 5050. It came a little bit smashed, we'll see how it holds in here. This is the seal, as you can see it has never been opened. Acer Nitro V16S with RTX 5060. You'll be fine for Minecraft, Roblox, and League of Legends. We got some papers in here. We can read here about the ports. This is the laptop here. Here we get the charger. Let's see if it's more than 135 watt, which was a big complaint on cheaper models. This one is also 135 watt. And people complained about this 135 watt in something like i5 and 5050 or Ryzen 5 5050. This one with i7 and 5060 will definitely consume more electricity. So if you gaming at 100% and it's on charge, the battery will still drain a little bit, okay? But it'll take hours, you know, because it will be charging and you're gonna use the battery at the same time. So it's not gonna be too bad unless you want to sit all day at the computer. Just give it a break for half an hour, let it charge. Acer, made by LiteOn. LiteOn makes a lot of different chargers. But for example, this Nintendo Classic power adapter is also made by LiteOn. Okay, it's a good brand. This is not the best protection. Obsidian Black color. It will leave some fingerprints, but not too bad. Average for fingerprints. Let's look at the ports first. It's pretty thin for a gaming laptop. Micro SD card slot, headphones, RJ45, USB 3.2. On the back we have Thunderbolt, HDMI, charging goes here. And on this side, two more USB-A. So I have three USB-A. I have like all the ports here. I can't think of anything that's missing. Even micro SD card slot there. So that's pretty good. Nitro button here. This is very good button. Power over here. DTS-X. Okay, this is good stuff. Good music, right? 3 millisecond, 180 hertz. It's 1920 by 1200. So you know, it's not 1440p, but with this kind of power, you'll be better off with a lower resolution. Okay, Core 7 5060. I believe on this side it presses better. It's alright. It's not the touchpad is not the best, but it's okay. Buttons, low profile. We have this three like this with the white thing. Okay. Low profile, easy to press. Travel distance is low. I think it's good for typing. I don't know. Look at the buttons. We have all the buttons here and there. Full keyboard with numeric buttons over here. Max switch equipped. Okay, 4-zone RGB keyboard, 4-zone, not 1-zone. So it's not just orange keyboard like in lower model. This one has 4-zone keyboard, which is amazing. Okay, DLSS 4, which is 5000 series. They come with DLSS 4 if you want fake frames, not real ones, fake ones. Okay, fake frames. DLSS 4, I have it off. With 5060 laptop, you may have to have it on. You know what? It looks fine. Everything looks fine. Like standard, kind of like bezel and everything. Cheap plastic here. This is for softer closing. Okay. The camera looks very cheap. This must be microphones. No camera shutter here. Okay. Cheap plastic. Cheap here. Okay. We do wobbling test. I don't know, it feels okay. Feels alright. It's not heavy, by the way. I mean, it's average. It's like an average. Here we have like all the serial numbers, models, screws. No security screws here. 10 screws, okay. Here we see some ventilation. Ventilation, a lot of holes, okay. A lot of holes. This is rubber, so it's gonna be standing. This plastic is better than around the screen, man. You know, nothing expensive, nothing crazy. You can upgrade your SSD and RAM over here, by the way, if you want 32 and bigger storage. These are easily upgradable for those who know what they're doing. It was a Black Friday deal, $800 at Walmart, which is amazing by today's standards. Something like this right now is like 1,000. You know, 800 was a good deal. Look at this keyboard. Like, they change colors. It's like, you know, like magic, you know, like New Year and stuff, and everything colored, and like, you know, everybody gets happy with those colors. Acer Nitro, you see, Acer Nitro. Okay, this is a basic product line of Acer. Predators are more advanced, better screen, better quality and everything, but this one is good value. We have here those orange thing, and we can press it. This is a good orange button here. It's not power button. Power button is here. This is a nice orange button, okay? I really wonder how this 135 watt gonna hold with this, you know, because people were complaining about those models with the i5, Ryzen 5 and 5050, and this one will definitely need more. Windows 2025. This video card came in 2025, 16 gig of RAM, 1 terabyte SSD. So this one is definitely an improvement from something like this. This one comes with a Ryzen 5 and 512 SSD in only 5050. And this would be definitely better than something like that over here, also 5050, but it's Nitro V15. Nitro V15 will come with a cheaper screen, i5 5050. These both are basic models, were super popular. This one is definitely better than those two, mostly because of the video card, 5060 GB 100, 180 Hertz, which is great. And by the way, this one, which is V15, this one will come with a worse screen, 165 Hertz, and I believe other characteristics will be worse here.